Hey loves, what's up going? What's good? What's popping? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a at-home self-care, self-maintenance day, and of course I'm starting in my favorite place, the bathroom. So yeah, I just have this on, to not show too much here because I'll be bringing you guys in the shower with me. So I'll be doing my body care routine, hair care routine, as well as facial, because my face has not been cooperating lately, but I'm trying to decide which scrub I want to use. I've never used this before and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have used this one so much. I think I should give another one a chance. This one smells so good. The watermelon is top tier, but I'm gonna give cotton candy a chance in the shower. So yeah, I've never used this before. This is what it's looking like. So yeah, and this will be my body gel. I don't know why I'm showing you guys out of the shower because I'll be showing you inside the shower as well. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing my nails today as well. I'm so excited. And I'll be using this body polisher because I just noticed that it makes my skin really soft as well as really moisturized. It's a really gentle scrub. So I think I'm going to do my hair first, then I move on to my body. So let's begin. Gosh, it's so dry. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with my skincare, but while I'm doing it, I'm going to just put on this microfiber towel to try and absorb as much moisture as possible before, well, so that by the time I'm done with my skincare, I look so weird. For some reason this is not focusing, but it's a tea tree mask by Basic Formulas. I feel like I'm gonna have some problem taking this off, but that's later's problem. Alright, so while this peel off mask is drying, I'm just going to do my hair. So I'll be using shea butter and castor oil to just section it off. Oh guys, I don't know if you guys saw my Olaplex review video, and if you saw in my shower routine, I did not use Olaplex. That's because since using Olaplex, my edges have been thinning out. Like, it has gotten really thin. Right now it's starting to grow back in. I don't know if y'all can see it. Like, even here, you see it's like really thin. I'm getting bald spots, and I don't know if to say it's the Olaplex, but I haven't noticed it until I started using Olaplex. So it's since using the Olaplex, and it sucks because everyone else who has been using Olaplex, they have been saying really great things about it. No one has complained about thinning. If anything, their hair is growing and getting thicker. But I don't know, it just wasn't working for me. So I'm back to basics. Now I have just a 2-step wash day routine most days, which is a shampoo and conditioner. And after that, I use my shea butter mix or shea butter with castor oil, and that's it. I learned my lesson. I am not going to just buy things because people are raving about it. And the thing is, it worked so well the first time. My hair felt so good, but I don't know. My edges just started to go, and I don't want to have that. Okay guys, I'm about to straighten my hair. It's a long process, a long entire process. So I'll see you when it's all done. And oh yeah, this is, did I show you guys my makeup look? But yeah, this is what I did. So I'm gonna start at the back. Oh, I need to drink something first because I'll need the energy. I'm gonna drink Monster milk. Oh my gosh, these are so good. It reminds me of I think it's called Yahoo. When I was in America, I really loved it because it reminded me of Monster milk. They taste alike. Guys, so I am halfway through my hair. It's looking so voluminous. I love it. It's not very flat, but I don't really mind. But yeah, I'm going to go in the living room and do the rest of my hair because I need to keep entertained and I'm getting a bit bored here. So I'm going to go in the living room, watch some TV, and finish the other side. Meet my new baby Kiwi. Yeah, she's so cute. She loves to take naps on my shoulder or on my chest. Alright guys, so I'm finally done with my hair. Let's see what it's looking like. Hey loves, it's the next day and I'm going to finish up my nails today. I have a bath here ready for a foot scrub. I'm just soaking my foot. I have this Dr. Teal Epsom salt soaking solution. It smells so good. So I'm going to use this with some warm water to soak my feet, and they have been really crusty. I don't even know if I want to show them. All right, so let's get into day 2 of self-care. I feel like I'm Bridgerton. So guys, I'm finally done with this at-home self-maintenance, well, 2 days, and yeah, finally done with my nails as well. At first I wasn't feeling this color, but it's so cute, and I've gotten so much better at doing these gel nails. Wow, they look like my nails. So nice. I'm so proud of myself. So yeah guys, I guess this is the end of the video. Let me know if you like it, if you want to see more videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.